Okay. Kind of boring right now.
Yeah.
I wish the girls would come back. They'd at least add some color.
Well, you could add commentary. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing.
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm using a 69 rope 3-hook hedge hitch to prod down the tree. I got nothing.
Oh.
Got nothing. Making it all up as I go.
How many minutes do you think this card will hold? Was it empty?
Huh?
How many minutes do you think it'll hold?
Oh, well, I mean about like half an hour.
Oh, okay.
It was fairly empty, I believe. I don't know.
I think that you're better off not to put a tarp on, Tony.
Why?
Because the tarp will just catch the wind.
We'll see how it looks when it gets
Are we crawling in through the window?
Uh-huh, everybody is.
She volunteered you.
Thank you. Are we many shoots?
I'm going to slip mine off. We can figure it out.
Who's taking the video?
Me.
Oh, you go first.
I was gonna say, I'll do that.
I'm the
Let me
videographer.
take the picture. Yeah, let me take the picture. Find a way.
Chuh.
Sorry.
Chuh.
Just walk right into the...
This is going to be good video.
fairly lengthy.
Maybe somebody will have to put some music to it.
Maybe.
There's a little bit more action.
Might help.
Otherwise, it could be a little boring.
I never promised fireworks.
Oh,
I said I never promised fireworks.
Whoa.
Yeah, that keeps
We may have them yet.
you know, you slip there every time, Tony.
Yeah. Oh, with all these bookmarks.
Yeah, you're right about that.
That wasn't very nice.
We were just talking about the fact that we need something with more cargo capacity.
Why are you talking? Where's the tree?
You just need rope.
It's a good thing somebody taught you how to tie rope.
Do you want some help holding that, or? We're all kind of standing here watching it.
Don't be breaking my tree. I hear crunches.
Yeah, you wouldn't know I got a Boy Scout merit badge in
A
Not
bear
that.
badge?
So much I remember. I remember the old shoelace knot. It's a classic for a reason.
It's going to help us.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So scary.
You do have this view, right?
What view?
It just looks really silly.
No, I thought
Looks silly.
actually I thought it looked pretty good. But then he is my son.
I mean, no,
No comment.
I think it's going to be fine. It's just a huge tree on top of a huge car.
Better than a huge tree on top of a little car.
Yes.
Yeah, we can have your car.
Thank you for watching this stunning victory of pulling this tree down.
We need him over here commentating our video.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. You just watched the stunning something of putting down the Christmas tree. Seriously? You're getting in the video for climbing through the window.
No, I'm taking the video.
No, I'll climb in last.
I wanted to take a picture of us driving away.
Alright,
You
well, I
can
was
still
gonna
do
put
that,
the, I
but
was gonna put the tarp down.
I,
You're not feeling the tarp?
I'm just afraid it would create a wind.
yeah,
Yeah,
I agree.
actually, I don't think you need a second time.
Yeah, I think you're fine.
So we don't need the twine, right?
I don't think so.
No, I think you're good to go,
I'm
honey.
gonna walk it back.
We don't have that far. We'll just take it easy.
Alright, well, climb on in.
All right. Well, Barb first.
Alright.
No.
All right, I'll climb in because then I do want to take a picture of you going away.
Get my shoes off.
Why? To my car?
Yeah, they're still kind of light.
This is a 13-minute video, and this is just after you ran out.
This is part 2. Okay.
I really wouldn't have cared. Go Christmas fun for you.
Too much fun. Okay,
You're gonna come back out and do it again?
I need my shoes.
Didn't plan on this.
How'd you do that with the shoes?
Climb in.
Okay.
Then we gotta get a picture of you coming in.
Uh-huh.
You gotta wait, Erin.
I'm sure I'm not gonna like that.
You gotta get Erin. You gonna do the
Oh,
front
I
view
need
of
my
her?
shoes.
You gotta get
I
them.
get 'em.
No, she's gotta get her own shoes.
I can't reach them actually.
No,
Stand
she
up
can't
and
reach
reach over.
No, they tip out.
Oh.
Right here.
Yeah.
I got to go.
So you're still going? Okay, hold on.
You guys pay?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Okay.
It was only $20. I mean, that tree at Home
Okay.
Depot would have been close to $200.
Oh, smarty.
I don't know. Oh, I cannot believe you're ever going to get your leg in there.
I got a crowded butt.
That would have been really funny from in here.
Yeah, I know.
And so,
right.
after our wonderful, exciting adventure, the car is loaded, the tree is secure, and we drive off into the distance.
The radios are rolling.
Tony circles the last tree